Well, as long as you have thumbs. Good night.
Championship contender. Dwight Howard is a one-man defense by himself.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Virginia State Police. At 8:30 p.m., a failure was reported at the North Anna Nuclear Power Station. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for residents within a 20-mile radius of the plant. The following counties are affected: Louisa, Pennsylvania, Orange, Hanover, and Caroline. Make sure to bring a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. Follow evacuation routes which have been set up by local authorities and bring at least one vehicle. Do not return to the warning areas until the all clear has been given. If you are not in the evacuation radius, stay where you are. Do not use the telephone except for emergencies. Stay tuned to local radio stations and media outlets for further details and information.
The biggest, flattest...
You don't have to do this. We'll just keep the TV we have.
No, let her do it, Dad. It will help her to heal.